Hello everyone, my name is Komang Ayu Widayanti. I'm a 5th semester student majoring in English Language Education at Ganesha University of Education. Here, I would like to share how to download Mendeley. Before that, you need to know what is the definitions and the functions of Mendeley. So, Mendeley is a free reference manager that helps you keep references and literature for your research organized. There are 4 functions of Mendeley, namely, the first one is create and manage citations of books, articles, and more. The second one is import citations from online researchers and publishers' websites. The third one is automatically extract metadata from import PDFs. The last but not least, collaborate with other researchers online. So, without any further ado, let's get started. How to download Mendeley. Step 1. Open your browser and then type Mendeley onto Google and click on the download hyperlink. Step 2. Click Download Mendeley Desktop. Step 3. Click Save File on the pop-up that appears and wait downloading until finished. Step 4. Go to the top right-hand corner of your browser and click on the Download button. This opens a list of applications that you have downloaded from the internet. Click on the Mendeley desktop, like this. Step 5. A pop-up appears on the monitor. And then click Next, which will lead to a wizard setup to also come up. And then click I agree, like this. And click Next. And then click Install. And wait the processing of install is done. And then checklist Run Mendeley Desktop, like this. Click Finish. And this is the initial appearance of Mendeley. So I think that's all my explanation about the way how to download and install Mendeley. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.